Ferguson commercial credit customers can save time and securely access and pay invoices online 24/7. With online bill pay, you can access accounts payable information, view a summary of your balances, view, print, and download copies of unpaid and paid invoices, or select and securely pay invoices today or schedule them for a future date. Depending on your organization, you'll utilize one of the 3 access levels: View to view bills, Standard Bill Payer to pay bills, and AP Admin to pay bills, add additional users, and assign user roles. AP admins can sign in and go to Company Settings in the Account drop-down menu or on the dashboard. There, you can set up new users or change a user's role. Access the Pay Bill Info and Pay Bills links via the left-hand navigation on your dashboard. To request access to online bill pay, click Bill Pay Info to go to the Payment Solutions page. If you do not have a credit account with Ferguson, you must first apply for credit. Once you receive an approval email, just complete the online bill pay registration on the Payment Solutions page. Click Request Access to start the setup process, or View Invoices to display the company's invoices. If your company is already registered, the Payment Solutions page will display the name of the AP admin. You can always view invoices with the accounting, combo, and admin roles by clicking View Invoices on the Payment Solutions page, or View Bills from your dashboard. Online bill pay displays a summary of the company's current due, future date, and past due balances, and a variety of tabs and actions based on the user's access level. From the summary screen, you can select amount to pay. Click on the box next to the invoice timeframe you wish to pay, and Select Amount will highlight with the total due. Next, click the Pay button, and you will be taken to the Pay Bills screen to view a list of the invoices and amounts included in that timeframe before authorizing and confirming your payment. You can also select the blue Documents link to view a list of invoices in that specific timeframe, or choose Pay Other Amount and enter an amount in the box and select Pay Amount. The Open tab displays all open or unpaid invoices and their balances. Total Balance displays the total outstanding balance of the account. Users with access to Pay Bills will see Pay Bills and Pay on Account on the Open tab. Pay Bills allows users to select individual invoices to pay. Above the invoices, expand each header to sort or search for a specific document. Use the Select All box at the top left to select all invoices at the same time. Use Pay on Account to make a lump sum payment. Select individual invoices using the checkboxes and click Print to print them. Select individual invoices from the Open or Closed tab, and then click Download to choose a file format. Any invoices paid in full automatically move to the Closed tab. The Payment History tab displays 12 months of online bill pay payment activity. You can also download a list of paid invoices by selecting the appropriate checkbox and clicking Download. The Settings tab allows you to update your profile, payment settings, notification settings, and perform user management. The Profile Settings tab allows you to update your user information. Under Payment Settings, accounting admins can view current payment accounts, select payment options, and add new bank account information. Easily manage account notification settings by selecting your preferred checkbox. AP admins can choose the User Management tab to manage existing bill pay users and select user privileges. Before making any payments, be sure to set up your payment information so that payments can be processed. From Settings, click Payment Settings. Verify bank account information already saved, or add a bank account by completing the information for your payment account. Click Save to complete the setup. Now you are ready to pay bills online. If you have access to Pay Bills, you can pay single or multiple invoices. From the Open tab, check the invoices you wish to pay and then click Pay Bills to begin the process. On the Payment Details screen, confirm the account to be used for payment, the date, and invoices and credits to be applied. Select or verify the payment information. Click Next to go to the Payment Authorization page and review the details of the payment. Next, click Authorize to complete the payment process and view the confirmation page. Finally, review the confirmation screen and then click Done. Your payment has been submitted. You can make a lump sum payment towards your account by clicking Pay on Account from the Open Invoices tab. Enter or verify information on the payment details screen to complete the payment. Then click Next to go to the payment authorization page. Review the details of the payment, then click Authorize. Review the confirmation screen and click Done. The payment has been submitted. Ferguson.com, making it easier than ever to get the products you need, whenever and wherever you need them.